Choosing an OBD2 scanner might seem tough, but we're here to help. First things first, let's figure out what you need and what you can spend. We've sorted scanner users into 3 groups: beginner, home mechanic, and professional. This way, finding the perfect fit for you is a breeze, and you won't have to empty your wallet. If you're just starting out with scanners and not too familiar with them, a beginner-friendly scanner for under $100 will do the trick. Now, if you're the fix-it-yourself kind of person, a home mechanic scanner around $500 or less is perfect for your tasks. For the tech-savvy folks dealing with all sorts of vehicle tasks, professional-grade scanners are the deal. Their prices range from $500 to over $4,000, considering their advanced capabilities. Remember, the right scanner is the one that matches what you need and what you're comfortable with. That way, you'll get the most out of it without spending more than you have to. Alright, you've narrowed down the type of scanner you want, but let's face it, all those choices can make your head spin. Don't worry, we've got your back with 5 simple things to make that decision a breeze. When selecting a vehicle diagnostic tool, keep these 5 aspects in mind. 1. Performance. This is crucial. You should look for a tool that provides fast and accurate diagnostics and can handle other maintenance tasks reliably. 2. Compatibility. Make sure your tool matches your vehicle. Check if it supports the specific makes, models, and protocols you'll be working with. 3. Ease of use. Look for a tool that's user-friendly, especially if you're just starting out. Clear instructions and an easy menu can make a big difference. 4. After-sales service. Think about what happens after you buy. Excellent customer support, free updates, or reasonable fees for new updates. These things save money and keep your tool up to date. 5. Durability. You want something tough, right? Look for a well-built device with quality materials and components that can endure the demands of automotive diagnostics. To make it easier for you, we have provided a rating score for each aspect of the scanner. A score of 8.5 or higher indicates good performance in that aspect. Additionally, we have an overall score called the OBD Advisor rating, which combines all 5 aspects. We recommend choosing products with an OA rating of 8.5 or higher for the best performance and satisfaction. You can see more about how we test and rate these aspects on our How We Test Rate page. Once you've identified your user type and considered the aspects mentioned above, you can read our reviews and ratings for each scanner to help narrow down your options. Sometimes, you may have 2, 3 scanners that stand out. In such cases, you can compare them using our full comparison chart to make your final decision. When you're ready to purchase, you can use the links provided in our post, which may earn us a commission without compromising our honest reviews of any scanner.